Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you what's in the kids' Christmas Eve boxes. Now I don't have everything that's going to go in them because my mother has it, but I will show you what I have and what is at her house. I'm not going to show you what's at her house. First things first, I'm the realist. I got them flavored lip balm. Xander's is Toy Story and Finley's is Frozen. These were $1 at Walmart. I just realized everything I got is from Walmart. The reason I got them lip balm is because their lips have been really chapped. And normally we put that in their stockings. We also do an outfit for what they're going to wear on Christmas Day. This year I just bought shirts. Sometimes I buy a complete outfit. So for Xander, he has this dinosaur. Isn't it freaking cute? And for family, hers says, making today extra magical. And it's a unicorn. I think they're so stinking cute. And we also do pajamas because how we do Christmas Eve is we go to my grandma's house, which is my kids' Gigi's house. And we're there until like super late. So I always get them a pair of pajamas so that while they're at my grandma's house after they open their box, they can just immediately put their pajamas on. This year, Finley got an owl one. It says, who's sleepy? Because mommy loves owls. If you've seen my kitchen, you'd know. And because I love SpiderMan, Xander got SpiderMan. The pants is what sold me on it. They're so fuzzy. They're also getting coloring books. Normally we do books, but I didn't get a chance to go to the place that I usually buy the books for really cheap. They're like decent sized books for anywhere from $1 to like $5. Ugh. So we just did coloring books this year. They're also getting a Kinder Egg each and then some snacks. We used to do movies, but now that we have Disney Plus, Netflix, and their obsession with YouTube, there's no point in really getting them one. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys everything because I don't have it all with me. But I hope you enjoyed my video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, I think I'm going to post what they got for Christmas, but I'm going to enlist it, and then I'm going to link that down below.
Whoa.